Need a garage and want it done right? And at an affordable price? Anyone can build a garage, but there's only one Hudock Garages. Owner John Hudock has over 30 years experience and more than 2,000 garages built. Garages are what he does best, and garages are his only business. Hudock Garages does all things garage, from the excavation and concrete floor to the frame, using premium grade lumber, top of the line vinyl siding, steel insulated overhead doors, side doors, vinyl windows, and roof trusses. They can build any size garage with no money down and financing available. Call today for an on-site estimate or full color brochure with pricing. Phone 724-366-9425 and visit hudockgarages.com. Make a smart investment in your car and in your home. Invest in a Hudock Garage.